Hello everyone, welcome to Awesome Vacuums. Well, in today's video, I got an unboxing for you guys, and as you can tell by the title, it is on the all-new and refreshed Dyson V8 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Now, I'm really excited to be unboxing this for you guys. I have always wanted one of these, and I finally got one, so what I'll do is get the camera off the tripod, and we'll get started here. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open it up here real quick. Decided to hold the camera in handheld mode just for this. So I think you just lift these little tabs up. Since there's no tape or anything, it's just glued down. Let's see here. They really glued this down good. Dang. Hang on. Switch hands here. Come on. Alright, I finally got that open. Didn't want to come out into the world easily. So, here we are. So, here's what we first get when the box is first opened. So now I'll set the camera back up on the tripod and we'll take this out. Alright then, so let's get started. So we get some paperwork here, probably warranty stuff, some more paperwork, and manual, and whatever, if you want to go through any of that. So what should we take out first? Really excited here. It feels like Christmas, deciding what gift to open up first. So I guess we'll start with the extension wand here. So here's the extension wand. So this end is what plugs into the machine, and this is where you put your attachments on. And then of course you have a button lock on here. And I really like this red color. It's a really nice color. So set that off to the side. Let's see what else. You got your charger and wall mount. So if I just take the cable out, so this is what charges your machine, obviously. So I'll just put that there for right now. Let's see what else. Yeah, I should probably slow down here, because I am kind of going a little fast. So we got this tool here, which is, how does it open? Oh, there we go. So here's the soft dusting brush, which I've always wanted one of these actually, so it's good to have, and these bristles are actually really nice and soft. So there's that. You got this weird tool here. This is the up top tool. So if you have like ceiling fans, shelving, or anything up high that you want to dust, you can put your dusting brush on the end of that nozzle, and you can clean up high with it, get in different angles. So that's cool. Probably not something I'll use all the time, but still good to have. You got here, this is your mattress tool, which is really just a wide upholstery nozzle, basically. So there's that. Let's see what else. Let's see what's in here. And you got your two dusting brushes here. So you got this dusting brush, which has rather stiff bristles actually, so this is probably more for like upholstery or something like that, or stubborn dirt, I think is what this is for. And you got your 2-in-1 upholstery and dusting brush. Nice soft bristles. Put that off to the side. And let's see, and you got two more tools over here. So this is a extension hose, which doesn't really, seems a little stiff, probably because it's new. But basically you plug this onto the machine, and you can plug one of your tools on the end like that and use it like a normal canister or upright if you wanted to, so that's pretty cool. So there's that. You got crevice tool, pretty standard on most Dysons. And let's see, and you have the all new hair screw tool. So this is basically the updated version of the mini motorized turbo brush. So as you can see, it's shaped kind of like a screw, so the hair is basically meant to kind of get sucked off and into the machine. And ooh, feels like it's got some play in there, so hopefully that's fine. And also too, there's a piece of cardboard here, make sure you pull that out, because otherwise it could probably damage it. And as you can see there, it says anti-tangle screw, so that's cool. And got the power nozzle here. So if I just pull this out, so now this is the biggest change to the previous V8, is this has the anti-removal vanes, as you can see here. So basically it's supposed to help with hair tangling. So everything looks good on here. And now you can actually remove this brush roller. I think if you just twist this like that, yeah, and then you can pull the brush roller out, kind of like a SIBO actually. So that's cool. Excuse me. And you get a squeegee there at the back to help stop scattering. So yeah. So I think the last thing to come out is the machine itself, which I think something else now. So here's the machine itself. As you can see, feels pretty good quality. It does have some charge. Not much, but still. So you got, this is also another change to the previous V8, is the way that this filter is designed. And now looking at it, I thought, oh, that's, a lot of those are going to break, but I haven't really heard of any of these actually breaking so far, so if anybody knows about that, please comment below if they have any experience. But basically it just pulls out like that, and you're supposed to wash that once a month, which probably isn't necessary, but it's there anyway. Then you have your other filter at the back here, which just twists out, and then you're supposed to wash that once a month as well. So yeah, and then you got the quick bin empty, so you just pull this red thing up, and you can empty the bin out, and then the little red piece here is a little rubber piece, so that's supposed to wipe the shroud clean. So yeah, and you can see just how brand new this is. This has never been used. So yeah, and you got your max setting there. Alright, so here is everything you should find out of the box with your Dyson V8 Extra. So you should find the main machine itself, the anti-tangle hair screw tool, of course the charging dock and charging cable, power nozzle, extension wand, the 2-in-1 combination upholstery and dusting brush, soft dusting brush, and the stubborn dusting brush, the extension hose, up top tool, mattress tool, and of course the crevice tool. Now the only disadvantage I can see so far with the extra package is it does not come with the fluffy head or the soft roller, which I am a little disappointed about, but it's not a huge deal. Alright everyone, so I let the machine charge up for a little bit, so figured I'd go ahead and try it out here. So now as you can see there, if it gets blocked off, it has a little safety where it pulses so that the motor doesn't overheat. So anyway, what I'll do now is go ahead and hook up the attachments. So start with the extension wand, and I'll put on the power head right here, like so. So let's try it out now. Let me just make sure the camera's adjusted properly. There we go. Alright, so let's try max real quick. Alright, so you can see, there's a little bit of stuff in there, so not too bad. So first impressions, I'm pretty impressed with it. So I'll use it for a little bit, and then I'll do a full review on it and go from there. But for now, I'm pretty happy with it. I've been wanting a good cordless machine for a while now, so I'm glad I have one. So that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Bye for now.